Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you that we can install the phpMyAdmin, which is a web GUI to access the Maria database. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's see. You can see that I mean the GoDaddy.com website hosting company under the Linux operating system. Actually, they provide services like uh, MySQL database bases as well, and then they also provide the graphical user interface phpMyAdmin. Okay, so let's see how can we install that package. Okay. Yes, I mean, I have covered the command line, so let's get into the GUI, all right? And this will be what it looked like after the package has been set up. And then once you log in, then you can use the GUI to create a database, create tables in the database, create users to access the database, da 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 da. Okay, so let's see what are the steps required. Okay. So to use that web GUI, it's better that you set up some security, okay? So I'm going to go through the process here, okay? So let me set this one aside, okay? And then let me invoke my virtual box, okay? All right, okay. And then I'm going to switch to the root user first. All right, yeah, and then I'm going to type in the command MySQL underscore secure underscore installation and press enter key. And then it will be asking me whether I want to have any current password set up at all. Okay, for this secure setting, I do not have any, so I'm going to press the enter key. Then you will be asking me, do you want to set up the root password? Okay, I say yes, yes, yeah. So let me press add yes, and then Y, and then set up the password, okay, and confirm it again. Okay, and then there is an I mean, it's going to ask you, are you going to allow the anonymous users to access the database? Okay, so yeah, I would prefer to remove it. Okay, yeah, so remove the anonymous users. Okay, and then do you want to disallow root user to log in remotely? Maybe not. Okay, yeah. Again, in our production scenario, then you might want to disable the root users login. But then, I mean, this is Academy, so we are fine. Okay, yeah. So press N. Okay. And then there's a test database. Do we want to remove it? Nah, keep it there. Okay, keep it there. Okay, keep it there is fine. Okay, and then reload. Get all the new settings. Yeah. All right. Okay, then that's it. Okay, that's it. Okay, so you can see that as of now. Let me clean the screen. If I just type in MySQL, press enter key, then I got this SS denial. Okay, why? Because a moment ago, I just set up this security setting. So if you want to log in from command prompt, then what can you do? Okay, it's fine. I mean, you just use this MySQL-U means the user, and then the username, the root, and then prompt for the password, and then just type in the password. Okay, yeah. Then you will be able to access the database. Okay, for example, show databases. Okay, and then semicolon. Boom. That's it. Okay, so far so good. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to exit. Okay, I'm going to exit. Okay, yeah. Back to my root user setting. Okay. All right. Next one, I'm going to install the phpMyAdmin package. Okay. Yeah. So it's a little bit, the command is a little bit long, but then we should be fine. Let me set it over here. Okay. So DNF, okay, space dash Y means answer all the questions, okay, with yes, okay. Install, and then PHP might admit, okay, and then PHP dash, okay, MySQL and D PHP dash MCRYPT and PHP dash get text, okay, get text. All right, let me double check. I'm not my typing. I'm not very good at typing. Okay, so let me see. It should be right. Okay, should be right. Should be correct. Okay, yeah. All right, let me press the enter key. Okay. All right. Okay, it seems to me that it has a lot of software to install. Okay, so I might pause the video for a sec. Okay. All right, okay, the installation of the packages have been completed. Okay, for some unknown reason, when it got to, I think, step 15, it kind of paused. It took a while, okay, but then anyway, so far so good. Okay, so okay, how can we get access the database from the web, okay, using the browser? Okay, so let me fire up my browser, okay. All right, it's loading. Okay. And then okay, let's just wait. Okay, yeah. So today my machine is a little bit slow. Okay, I don't know why. It could be that I'm running two instances of virtual boxes, virtual machines. Yeah. All right. Okay, so far so good. Let me test my web server first. Okay, localhost. So far so good. And then get from the web address over here, you can see that you can access the package by typing localhost phpMyAdmin, yeah, and then press enter key. Oops, sorry. PHP MyAdmin. Let me try it again. MyAdmin. Anyway, oh, sorry. I forgot this command. My bad. I forgot to restart the server. Okay, yeah. So again, even though I've been doing it for many times, sometimes I still make a rookie's mistake. Okay, my bad. Okay, HTTP restart. Yeah. It just wait. Okay, yeah. All right, it's working on it. Okay. And then let's see. Okay. It should be ready. Okay, in a minute. Yep. Okay, still loading. There you go. Okay, so let me switch to the browser. Okay, do a reload. Okay, do a reload. Okay. All right. Okay, sorry about it. Okay, a moment ago. Okay, yeah. All right, and then you can see that this is the graphical user interface in the browser, from the browser. And then we can just type in the root password, root user account, and then the password. You just set it up a moment ago. Okay. And then click go. Okay. And I don't need to save the password. Okay. So you can see that it's really neat. It's really neat. I mean, the graphical user interface is really user friendly. And then, I mean, there are so many things you can play with it. For example, I can just quickly create a new database. And then let me call it maybe just hello DB. And then once I click create, then you can see that the new database will be showing up on the panel over here. All right, there you go. And then I can just select the database, there, right? Select the database, create a table. Maybe let me create a, let's say authors, author table, okay? And set it, maybe just keep it simple, just 2 columns, okay? Just 2 columns will be fine. Click go, okay? And the first column can be just author ID, okay, and let me reduce the browser's size a little bit here so I can have more room, okay. And the next one can be the name, okay, of the author, okay, of an author, okay. And then the author might be a string data type, right? And then let's say okay, author name, okay, 40 characters, okay, maxima. ID will be int, okay, and then also okay, we can use this okay, attribute over here, okay. Okay, so this a dot I is auto increment, okay, so which means that it will be the primary key. Okay, let me increase the screen size. Okay, so it will be the primary key by default, okay, because it's auto increment and is unique. Just click go, okay, go will be fine, okay, and then you can kind of let me see, you can just save it, okay, you can just save it, yeah. So save everything, okay. And then you can browse the data, okay, if you want to, okay, or you can insert the data. Then I click the insert, and then you can insert the data. Let's say the ID will be auto increment, so we don't need to add anything to it. Okay, how about the user? Okay, John Doe, okay, maybe, and then one more entry. Okay, let's say Jen Doe. Okay, yeah, and click go. Okay, click go. Okay, and then click browse. Okay, then you can see that, pretty neat. Okay, I mean, two fields have been created, okay, and then you can delete, you can edit, you can copy. Again, I just try to keep this one short, okay, yeah, to show you the example, okay. So let me just log out of myself. Okay, I can click this one to log out, okay, log out, okay, yeah. Okay, so this is pretty neat, okay, pretty neat, okay. Okay, however, okay, there might be an issue over here. Okay, so as of now, it only allows you to access from the local host. Okay, which means that you physically has to able to access the machine locally, right? But then in a real world scenario, no, that won't be the case, right? Okay, that won't be the case because the end user could be anywhere, okay, anywhere in the world. Okay, then how do you fix that problem? Okay, so okay, here will be some. Okay, sorry, this is a firewall. My firewall has been set up correctly, so I'm not going to do it again. You can do that if you want to. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Okay. If you want to allow users to access from anywhere in the world, right? Or maybe from your intranet in your organization, then what can you do? Okay, so here will be some kind of suggestions. I mean, you can edit the phpMyAdmin.configuration file under this root etc. httpd config.d directory, okay? And then look for maybe around 917, okay? With this configuration file, and then you add the subnet, okay? Add a subnet like this, okay? And then also around 934, okay, you add the subnet list. And once you've done editing the configuration file, okay, remember to restart the server, okay. Again, I'm not going to explain to you about this subnet / notation. Okay, if you got a chance, feel free to take my networking course, okay, yeah. But then let's say, assume that you want to allow all the users to access the kind of their the GUI there, right? Then what do you do? Okay, so here will be the situation, right? Okay, so I have my let's say machine over here, and then let me another virtual machine over here, and then let me fire up my browser. Okay, fire up my browser. Okay, and then just type in the phpMyAdmin. Okay, so previously I've done some testing already, so you can see that I type in the kind of the server's IP, and then I try to access the GUI, and it said that, hey, I mean okay, kind of forbidden, okay, permission denial, okay, then okay, let me see okay, how I can fix this problem, all right? So I can get kind of based on the suggestion over here, okay, I can do a little bit quick fix, okay? So let me set this one aside, okay, yeah, reduce the size a little bit. Let me get into my okay, command prompt, okay. Okay, so let me switch to the root, okay. Then you will be over etc. Okay, httpd, and then under the directories config.d, okay, and do an ls. You can see that the phpMyAdmin configuration file is there, okay. But then again, here's just my suggestion, okay. So okay, I'll try to get again get make a backup copy first, okay? Make a backup copy first. So let me call this one as org, means original, and then do a check-in. And then you can see that I have made a backup copy on that configuration file already. And then now I can use nano, okay, to do the editing, okay? Yeah, so my admin, okay, .config. And then, oops, sorry. And then about this section over here. And again, if you just want to set up the subnet, then you can type whatever setting you like, 10, maybe 0.0.0, and then subnet, maybe, I don't know, 16, or depends on your need, okay, yeah. But then I want to allow all the users to be able to access the website, okay? Yeah, so then I'm going to comment this one out, okay? But then I'm going to add one more section over there, okay? Or one more phrase over there, okay, which will be required, okay? Require, and then all granted, okay? Yeah, kind of grant any host with any IP addresses, okay? Yeah, and then let me just save it, okay? Save it. Okay, and once I have saved it, okay, you can see from my note over here, I remember to restart the service, okay? So I will do that, okay? So service, okay, restart the server, okay, service, okay. Yeah, service httpd, get restart, okay. Let me stop it first. Okay. I think this is easier and faster. Okay. I don't know why. And then let me start it. Okay. Ooh, I think I got some typo. Okay. So let me check the configuration file again. Okay. Yeah. So let me see. Okay. Oh, this is required, not required. Okay. Yeah. So sometimes okay, I made some typo. Okay. So let me save it again. Okay. Yeah. And then okay, again, stop the service. Okay, actually stop already. Restart the web server. Okay, yeah. Okay. All right. Okay, so now, okay, if I try to access the web, okay, the database, okay, GUI, okay, from the browser, okay, let's see, okay, whether it will allow me to do that or not. Okay, yeah. So let's just wait for the web server to restart. Okay, all right. And here is my Windows 7 virtual machine. Previously, okay, I was denied, right? And then let me do a reload. Oh, boom, that's it. Okay, yeah. So again, this is the setting to allow uh, any any users from anywhere in the world to access this service, and then I can type in the root password, yeah, root user credential, yeah, and let me log it in, ta-da. Okay, so again, I can delete the database, okay, yeah. So sure, well, let me see. Let me select the database, database, database over here, And then do I have enough room? Okay. Yeah, okay, yeah. And then I can select the database and then pick, put the check mark on the hello, DB, and then drop it. Okay, drop it means delete it. Okay, yeah. Okay, double confirm it. It's gone. Okay, it's gone. Okay, yeah. So it's pretty neat. Okay, so that will be all. Okay, so I hope that this will be useful to you, and play with those GUI stuff. Okay, it's really very user friendly. Okay, yeah, have fun. Okay.